Okay, today we are now going to add a DNS record to our domain so that we can connect Google Search Console to our website. Google Search Console helps you to know the analysis of your website, like your website traffic, the place of your website visitors, their devices, etc. This is what you can use to know. And I have created the Google Analytics Google Search Console already. This is the dashboard. To use it, you have to simply use your Gmail powered email address. So I have a property here already. By clicking it, select the property. The property is the domain name. Your domain name is known as property here. And to add this here, this is where you can go to add this. Your website name.com. That is it. Your website name.com, and say continue. So they are checking the domain now. If the domain is available or not, they will let you know. So they ask us to verify this domain via DNS record. So I'm going to your website name.com is not available. I don't have access to that domain. I'm not the owner of that one. The one I have a claim of ownership to is this one. This is the one I have a claim of ownership on. And to verify it, they said that you should verify your domain ownership via DNS record. And you copy this code here and paste it to your website TST platforms. So I've copied it already. Nameship is my domain registrar and the hosting registrar. So I'll go to Nameship website, nameship.com. Then you click login. Login is here. You can click login. Then you go to you are in the dashboard already. Then you go and click hosting list. After you have clicked hosting list, then you click this drop down here and you click go to cPanel. So now our cPanel is being opened. You navigate down to the DNS record or zone editor here. So this is the zone editor platforms for this website. Now you click manage. You click add record here, and this is the place where you can select your type, your DNS type. The one for that is TST type. So I'm going to select TST here, and here is the test. The test is the record, is the string from the Google Search Console here. Copied it already and come right here and paste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll click save record. It has been successful. It has been successful now. You will successfully save the following TSC record for. So we have to keep in mind that the changes to DNS record will require some time to propagate through the network. It usually takes about 30 minutes, so do not hesitate to contact them via live chat or tickets if you have any questions. This is the zone record for this website already, and these are the one that we have added. We added this one recently, TST. These are the TST that we have for this domain, and it has been successfully added, because if you check here you can see all the zone records that we have added for this particular website. This is the filter that we can use: the A record, C name record, MX record, CRF record, TST record. So I'm going to navigate to TST record so that I can see all the TST records that are added on this particular domain. This one is not from Google Search Console. This one is not from Google Search Console. And finally, this is the one that we just recently added. It's from Google Search Console, Google site verification. And this is the string from Google for verifying our domain. We are now sure that this website was being added with Google Search Console. shortly in the next 30 minutes. You can come back here or go back to your Search Console and click verify. For now, it has still not verified. The only TS3 course that you can find is this one, which is this one. You can see they are the same. This is the one that you can find now. Shortly, it will start finding this one. So you have to take patience and wait for some minutes before you come back here and click verify.